Welcome to the course for TSQL programming and scripting for SQL Server Database Administrator and Developer. And in this video, we are going to learn about how to generate a script to change the all SQL job owner to SA in SQL Server. It is very simple if you have to change the SQL Server job owner if your count is very less. Like if you have only one job, you can go directly, you can go to the property and you can go to the general and you can change in this way using the geographical tool. But if you have to change in one shot, like for the all, and your job count is like 100 and you don't want to filter it, right? So that time it's required the script to change the database owner. And if you are going through the script, then it's a very simple, and it is you can save lot of time. Just think it like if you have to do it for the hundred of server, right, in the all SQL job which don't having the owner as a SA. So please change it for all server, and you have the 100 server, and each server there is the 100 job, 10 job, so it is count will be 1000. So it will be more time consuming, right? So but using the TSQL code and PowerShell, you will be able to do easily. I am not talking about PowerShell, but we are going to learn about TSQL. If you will learn this, then later video session you will able to see how to do that. Anyhow, I have already created the course for PowerShell. I have given the link also, so if you want, you can learn and you can automate it. So I'm not talking about PowerShell. First I will go and we are going to generate the script for SQL Server. So if you want to know the job, so what you have to do, that command is, and we have to filter from the sys jobs, right? There is some table, and that in MSDB database we have to filter, and we have to find out the job level of information. If you so what is the command for it? Command is select star from, right, MSDB, that is the database, given the dot, that DBO is your schema, and then sys jobs. This is the table. If I'm going to execute this, what I'm going to get? I'm okay, sorry, something mistake. Select star from msdb.dbo.sys. Okay, sorry, I think something I have missed it, so that's why it is giving. So now if I'm going to execute, now you see it is executed, and once it is executed, you can see it is giving the result for job ID and job name, right? Job name is here, job ID is here, and we want database SQL owner, right? So where we will see the owner we will see here, and it is not giving the owner name, it is giving the owner SID. So how we can convert this from SID to name? So there is some command that is called I will copy this, and then I will write. So anyhow, if we have to know which are the database, which are the SQL job which having the job owner, if you want to know, then two things is only required. That is the name and the owner, right? So this time I am just filtering through the name. So name, and then I am giving the comma and owner underscore SID from. After from, I'm giving direct my table name, right? Now I am going to execute this, right? Once I have executed, I am getting the owner SID. Now I have to convert this owner SID to owner name. So the command, there is one function that is called the s user underscore s name, right? And you can give the bracket and bracket close. So this is that function which one is going to convert this owner SID to owner name. So if I'm going to execute it, you will see this is giving this all result, which job having the owner as a SA, or which job having the owner as a something different, right? Here we again we have to filter. So what we want where job owner is not SA, display only those results. So what we will do here, we will use the where clause, where, and I will filter through this only as dot username is not equal to. If you want not equal to, we have to go with this. This is the syntax for the not equal to, and I am writing here between that SA. So if I'm going to execute this, so you will see these are the job. Which job owner is this, right? We have to work on this only, right? So next is we have to generate the script. So we cannot go one by one. We want to go in one shot only to change it. So we already I have created multiple of no script for created the script in my lot of video. If you will go and check there, right? So same way only we are going to generate, but again I want to repeat it also. If you want to select something, you can write the select. And I want, like, if you want to print anything, then double quote you have to give hello. Hello, it is going to print this. So you can see this is just what you want. If you'll give double quote, so it is going to print the same thing. And here what I want something called name also I want. And name I want from where? I want from this this one, right? So I will give in this way, right? So select hello and name. So name, if you are not giving in double column, the meaning of this means the name is going to be filtered from this, right? So what is the result I'm seeing? So you can see this all database name came. So everywhere this hello has been added, right? So if you want to add this hello with this job name, that time you have to remove this comma and you have to add plus mark. If you are giving the plus symbol and you are going to execute, so you can see now hello came in this, right? But okay, I think you understood this. So now my next is, if you want to change the SQL Server job owner, what is the command? The command I am typing here. The command is you have to execute one store procedure that is called exec, then msdb, and give the .sp store procedure. I'm going to execute sp underscore update underscore job, and go to the next line, and then you have to give at the rate of job underscore name is equal to, and you have to provide the which job name you want to change, right? So just I will execute this. I will get, okay, so these are the name. I will taking this index maintenance job. So I will give here job name, right? This is the job name. And then you have to provide the comma, and then next line you have to give at the rate of owner underscore login underscore name, and is equal to, you have to give SA. Okay, so now if I'm going to execute this command, you will see there is the 5 job, right, including this also. Now if I will execute this command, so you will see this index maintenance job has been changed. Owner has been changed to SA now. So you will see there is no this fifth job is not coming, and that index maintenance job is not listed here. So this is the command to change the database owner. Or if you want to change, means you have to run this command into the 5 times if you want to do. But I want to generate the script. So how I will generate the script? So now you can see this is that this thing. I think you don't have any doubt, right? I'm pasting here directly. So, two single column. Okay, before that, one more thing I want to explain you. Now I'm writing select, and I have to print only single column, right? So how I will print this? So if I will go this, it will fail. It will give the error, right? If you are thinking, just now I told, if I will give, means between two, whatever you are going to type, right? You can see between two single column, whatever word you will type, it is going to display that. But here also, if I'm doing, I have written the 3, means between 2 1 it is there. So one single column will print, it will not print. So if you want to print a single column, you have to give the 4 single column. If you are giving the 4 single column, it will print one single column, right? So you can see. So be remember this logic. Don't forget it, right? So it will be print only one time. Okay. So later we will see, because it will come here. So what I am doing, I have to generate the script. So this one from here to here, it has to generate, right? Till here, right? So what I will do, I will copy, I'm pasting here. Oh, sorry. I will write in one line only. Okay. Okay, at the rate of job. So if I'm going to print, we will see what is the result for it's coming, it is giving for us. So anyhow, it is giving for all. We will later will solve it. So it is giving the SQt MSDB, that is correct, and then at the rate of job is equal to, okay, that job name, it has to become between the two single column, but it is giving in this way, right? So how we will solve this? So after that, we have to give here one single column, right? Before and after. So if you want to give, so before name we want to give, right? So what we have to do? We have to give 4 times single column, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then plus mark, right? So plus mark means one single column will be add before name. So if I'm going to execute this, what is the result we will get? Single column came this time, right? Correct. And after that, what it is there? After the name, again we want single column. You can see here, right? So what we have to do? After name, again we have to add the plus mark and give the 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if I'm going to execute this, what is the result I'm getting? I'm getting the result, this one. So till whatever we want, it is generated, right? Correctly, right? After this, what you are saying? Comma has been added, right? So if you want to add the comma, what you have to do? Again, you have to add the plus mark and give the two single column, and between two single column, you have to add the comma, right? So if I'm going to execute this, what is the result I will get? So you can see what I have get in the next. So comma is also came. So after comma, we have to print this line till here to here, right? So if you want to add this, what you have to do? You have to add plus mark and then two single column, you paste the same thing. Okay. So now if I'm going to execute, what is the result I will get? I will get this result. So anyhow, I will remove this all. Okay, so is equal to, right? Then what I have to print? I have to print is equal to SA. So till equal to came, after equal to what it has to print? It has to print single column. Single column means 1, 2, 3, 4 times you have to give, right? Then again plus, then inside that, this is nothing but your single column kill. After single column, what it has to do? Write SA. So for SA, what I will do? I will give two single column. I will write SA. Then after SA, again we have to print one single column here, right? So for that, I will give plus and 4 times I will give 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? And this is the script which one we have generated. If I will go and if I will execute, it will give the correct result, but it is not filtering it, but we have to filter. Filter means we have to use the where clause in this. So what I will do directly, I will copy this because I want only create the script only for those job had not having owner as a SA. So that's why I added here. This is the command. Again, I am filtering it. If I will execute this, what I'm getting? I'm getting the 4, right? And you already know there is a 4 server, 4 job only, which having some different owner. So I will go to the new query window. I will paste it, right? And one shot only I will execute. So you can see in one shot only, its script has been executed. So now if I will go and if I will check, there will be no job. It is going to display. And now there is no matter I have the 4 job or if I have the 100 jobs. So this is the script. If you are going to run, so there is no matter, and there is no matter if you have this script. This is the script, and you are going to execute. This is either it is 4. For me, it is 4 is there. That's why it is generated for 4. If you have 100 job also, it will generate the script in one time only. You have to copy, paste into the server and run the script. So my TSSQL is script is generating the result, which one we have to run into the SQL server, and problem will be solved, which one we want to do, right? So I'm not go one by one. So my TSQL itself will generated the script. So how to change this job or job for this, job for this, job for this. So it's required the practice. You have to do the practice. Once you will do the practice, easily you will able to develop the script for using the TSQL. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want, you go and watch my course in Udemy. There I have already created the course for PowerShell for SQL Server DBA. and PowerShell programming for HTML. Link I have given into the description. Please go and watch and automate your work. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It is a humble request, guys, from you. You don't have to do anything. In the corner of the video, if you will click, automatically subscribe button will come. Please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching this video.